Ladies and gentlemen, you'll love everything about this speaker. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this retro Bluetooth...
Hang on, I can't talk like that the whole time. So, all right, Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the Edifier MP230 portable Bluetooth speaker, and as you can see, it has this fantastic retro design. Now, dimensions-wise, it's actually really rather not a lot bigger than my iPhone 14 Pro, though obviously a little taller, but it has great sound. So I want to start by complimenting the company. They have a great box, and not only does that look cool, but check out the inner box too. So nice. So we don't really care about the box, so we're gonna put that out of the way. What I want to do is I want to talk about the specs. So this little speaker has 20 watts total output running Bluetooth 5.0. It has dual 48mm drivers in the front and then dual passive radiators in the back, giving it surprising bass response. Frequency-wise, it's 70 to 13,000 hertz with a signal-to-noise ratio of about 85 decibels. So actually pretty good specs on this. It's also battery powered with a 2600 milliamp hour battery that'll give you 10 hours of playback. Ready to charge it? On the back, there's USB-C, and no surprise, it comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. Plug it into your computer, plug it into your computer charger, your phone charger, whatever, it'll do fine. Now, in addition to the USB-C charging plug, there's also 3.5mm AUX, and there's a micro SD or TF card, depending on where you live, input 2, and you can just choose which of those you want to listen to. So super easy, no hassle at all. On the front is obviously that great retro design, and these buttons, this is all like actual wood, actual metals. It's just had a beautiful feel to it. It really looks and feels great. So the power button, which you can press and hold for 1.5 seconds to turn on and off, or you can just tap it lightly to change which input mode it's using. Then there's Bluetooth, which again, you can push and hold if you want to actually do pairing, but it opens up, and when you turn it on, it starts out in pairing mode. I found it super easy. Then there's pause and play, which is pretty self-explanatory. And then volume down and volume up, each of which, if you push and hold, will do next or previous track. Otherwise, with a gentle push, it will just go ahead and give you volume up or volume down. And that's really everything. So go ahead and give it some music. I'm going to turn the speaker towards me. And so this is at half volume on my phone. Let's give it a little more volume. And I'll pause it by pushing the button and then unpause it. And so not only is it sound terrific with way more bass than you expect, but watch how responsive the buttons are. I mean, I'm used to pushing it and having a couple of second delay, but again, that Bluetooth 5.0 gives us a really responsive experience from a source device, and this is eminently listenable and gets surprisingly loud. It's obviously not going to be your party speaker for your auditorium, but if you have a dorm room, if you have an apartment, if you have an office, this is a beautiful addition to your desk or to your bedside table, and when you're ready to actually listen to some good music, this is going to deliver. Very nice. Now, only thing else I can tell you is dimensions, so it's 6.4 inches by 3.3 inches by 3.8 inches. So like I said, it's really kind of the dimensions of my, let's get this on here, of my iPhone 14 Pro and taller, but really simple to work with. It's 30 ounces, so it's very light and easy to tote around. Also comes with a 3.5mm cable, which doesn't do much good for those of us that have more modern smartphones that don't have 3.5 out, but we got Bluetooth. So it's got all of those covered. So much to like. This just sounds really good. It's a little speaker. It's a portable speaker. It's not really for outdoor use. It's not waterproof or anything, but for indoor use, this is something you can have in the kitchen. No one will even notice it until you have music playing, and then they'll be like, wow, that sounds pretty nice. So lots to like here. Perfect for a bedroom, perfect for an office, even an executive. If you're some high-powered executive and you're looking for the perfect thing to add to your shelf behind your desk or something, this could be a really fun addition. And you can listen to great music. So win-win all around. Only thing left to talk about is the price. But before we get to the price,
I would like to ask you, in a retro fashion, to subscribe to my channel. It's easily done, ladies and gentlemen, by clicking on that subscribe button and the little bell notification. That's easy enough. And if you found this video educational, interesting, or informative, or all three, go ahead and give me a like. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Okay. This is the Edifier MP230 portable Bluetooth speaker. There's so much to like about this. This is really one of the nicest little speakers I've seen in quite a while. It is $149.99 at Amazon.com. That might seem a little spendy compared to all the sort of plasticky colored speakers out there, but this is something you're going to want people to see as opposed to something you're going to want to hide. And it brings great audio too. So much to like. That's all I got. I'll hope to catch you in my next video.